I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break.
Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you the products that I use on my hair. I'll start with, this is the shampoo. I use Zoe Men 2-in-1 shampoo on my hair. I've used this for quite a long time and I think to me it's good for my hair. I also use treatment. This is a radiant treatment. It's a leave-in. It has menthol. It is menthol like. This is the treatment that I use on my hair. As you can see, I've already washed my hair. I also use this Lori's Sheen sprayer. It's so good. It leaves your hair shiny. It's like a spray, so you can spray it on your hair after you've done everything. Then you can spray it. It leaves your hair very shiny and also silky. It's for me, I like it. Then I also have this is it's called Indian hemp hair scalp treatment. It's by Kuza. It smells so good, but I've been using this for quite a long time. I also use Beula. Beula is a normal hair food, as every hair food. I also use Mikala styling gel. I love Mikala styling gel. The smell, even the texture, it doesn't leave your hair dry. I also use this Radiant anti-dandruff cream. It's also good. Since I started using it, I can't complain. I always relax my hair at home, so I always use TCB relaxer. These are the items that I use. Right now, as you can see, I've already washed my hair. I want to treat it. I will detangle it first with this comb. As you can see now, I've just removed the towel and I'm trying to detangle my hair with my hands. Then I also detangle it with a comb. I have a comb that I will tangle it with. Then I've already washed it because I've used the Zoe 2-in-1 Men shampoo, the one that I'll be showing you. Then I'll just do the treatment, then massage, then put on my shower cap for like 30 minutes. Then I'll go to the salon for blow dry. Just to watch and see what I'll be doing. today's video we are going to prepare our pilau, and with pilau I have my meat. Meat is already boiling. I have 2 glasses of rice, and I also have tomatoes, 4 tomatoes, 2 red onions. I have garlic, and also I have tangawizi. I also have the pilau and salt, and most likely I have our cooking oil. I'll I'll show you what I'll be doing, but I'll not show you like step by step. I'll just show you where the meat is ready and we are starting to put on the ingredients up to where we'll put we'll add water. Then we are done. We will leave the pilau to cook in a low heat. Then after that, now we will see how the pilau will come out. I hope it will come out well. Karibuni.